Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Sony ZV E10. This is the proposed best beginner vlogging camera, all inclusive for anyone who wants to start creating content online. This camera was targeted towards the content creators, the YouTubers, and I also did get the 15mm F1.4 lens. Now this is going to be my primary vlog setup for my content right now, and you guys already know that I love the ZV lineup because of the features that were included in them. So I'm so excited for this one because I feel like every creator has this and uses this to create, especially to vlog. I do have the Sony ZV one, and for so long I've used that one to vlog for over 3 years now. Personally, for me, whenever I'm filming like sit down tutorials like this, I love filming with Canon. I don't know why, there's just something about the quality, the colors that just speaks to me. However, when it comes to vlogging, being on the go, I find that Sony is perfect for moving and vlog style type of content. I don't know why, like cinematic movie style kind of content, Sony has my heart. But when it comes to like tutorials, sit down, beauty, Canon has my heart. So this one is a Sony ZV E10. I'm going to quickly unbox this. I'm going to leave all the links down in the description box so you guys can check it out yourself. This is what it comes with. Obviously, the first thing you're greeted with are the manuals, the warranty. To be honest with you, I never really pay attention to this, but what I want to do is to kind of have like a first-hand feel and unbox with you guys. But this is what it looks like in here. You do get, I think this is the body. I'm going to open this last. This is the charging cable. You do get an adapter for it as well. Yeah, you do have your charging cable as well as your adapter as well. This, you can easily charge your battery while it's in your camera. Sony straps as well. Anytime I'm vlogging and I'm on the go, I always do this to my camera because it's not gonna fall from my hand. It's either I have this here or I have it strapped on my neck because I'm not about to fall this. So I'm gonna put this on. This has to be the battery. It did come with one battery. I had to get extra batteries. I think I showed you guys this in my haul. And in this paper, it has to be the dead cats. Yeah, so this one is for audio. If you're vlogging, you're out the door, you're on the go, this is gonna help filter out noise, wind, basically, so that way you get the best sound outside. Ooh, wow, look at that. This is so gorgeous. This reminds me of the Sony ZV-1, but with a little bit of body and quality. This is what it looks like. At the back, you have the dials, obviously. At the top, you also have the controls as well. You do have the option to use interchangeable lens, which is something that the Sony ZV-1 didn't have. The Sony ZV-1 had a fixed lens. I'm going to do a comparison between the two cameras so that way you guys know which one to opt for if you are a content creator. So I'm going to put this dead cat over here and let's see how this is. Let me strap on. Okay, so we are halfway through. I'm gonna let me just put one of the batteries and see what it looks like. So let me put this aside. Now this one is a Sony 15mm, and again it is lightweight. An alternative for this one would be the Sigma 16mm. However, that one weighs double the size and it's half the price. So you have to figure out which one, you know, fits your budget and your aesthetic basically. But this one is weightless. This weighs about 200 grams. This also weighs about 200 grams. They're pretty much the same weight. And the weight of this is similar to the weight of the Sony ZV-1. So technically you're holding two Sony ZV-1s vlogging. So I'm gonna connect this right now. Put this, let's remove the cap. Oof. Okay. Oh, the way Gear cameras, tech, freaks me. I wish I was this excited with shoes and bags, but this is the way to my heart. Tech, camera, gears. So I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, so let me just set this quickly. But what I want to focus on is the first impression. I want to see what the quality looks like. I want to see what the 4K looks like with the lens as well. This tripod is from Ulanzi. Okay, that was quick. So this is the tripod that I'm using. This is the Ulanzi MT47. It's supposed to be sturdier compared to the previous one, so that way it's not moving, it's not shaking, it can hold this, and it also extends as well. You can put this on your table if you want. It's not so heavy, it's compact, and is also portable as well. I also got a memory card as well. This one is 128 gigs as well. Let's put this in. Okay. Hi. Okay, so this is what the quality looks like coming from this Sony ZV E10 with the Sony 15mm G Master 1.4 lens. This is what it looks like, and I'm filming in 4K. However, I feel like it cropped me in a little bit. I don't know if this is how wide it's supposed to be, but I felt like it was supposed to be wider. But this is the quality that comes out of this. But I want you guys to kind of see the quality that you get from this camera. For anyone who is curious like I was, now you can see. I'm a little bit extra. I want to put my vlogging lights. Hey, there we go. I don't know if it makes any difference. Okay. So this is what it looks like now with the lights that I have on. I'm just trying to see if it makes any difference in terms of the quality. Now I am filming in 4K, so hopefully it is really sharp. This is a 4K camera. It's really sharp and it's detailed. I'm just using the in-built microphone. I feel like it is a bit heavy. I'm not even gonna lie. See what the background looks like. I definitely love what it looks like. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. So I don't know if it's me, but I want to set this camera by myself. This is why I love using manual mode. That way I can easily dial into how I want the background to look, if I want it to be very blurry. But because I put intelligent auto, I wasn't liking it. Let's do manual. Okay, so this is a quality right now. I feel like the background is a lot more blurry compared to before. Now we can get like that depth going on thanks to the 1.4 lens. Let me just move over and see what it looks like, guys. My hands are hurting. This has a bit of weight to it, I'm not even gonna lie, but I definitely love what it looks like. Okay, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. But I feel like because I'm filming in 4K, I'm cropped in a little bit. So what I want to do is to switch this from 4K to 1080p. So I'm gonna quickly switch over to filming in HD because I felt like the 4K cropped me in a little bit. Yes, perfect. So let's see what it looks like right now. Definitely. So it's definitely wider compared to how it was before, but I'm not sure if the difference is a lot. But let me know what your thoughts are. I feel like I need to review this before I give my 2 cents. But this is what it looks like. I want to see how wide this lens is. It's not as wide as I thought, to be honest with you. I feel like it is wider compared to the Sony ZV-1. I'm gonna do a separate video kind of comparing the two, and this is it. The background looks blurry, looks beautiful, and also this is the depth that you guys get from this. Let me stand in front of this and see what it looks like. This is pretty. Okay. Absolutely love it. Now I love what I'm seeing in the viewfinder, but I'm hoping I'm also gonna love what I'm gonna be seeing in the actual footage. So the active stabilization was definitely on, which is why it cropped me a little bit, but this is what it looks like stretched out right now. So I do now have a wider view. I wanted this to be like my first impressions video, just to unbox it and review it and see what it looks like and what it's also giving at the same time. But I love what I'm seeing in the viewfinder. I love that it has a flip out screen. I also love the fact that when you're recording, you have like a red box around the viewfinder, so that way you know that it is recording as well. And you also have the light here as well. This is like the senior brother to the Sony ZV-E10. With this camera, you cannot hide. It is in your face. It is not discreet compared to the Sony ZV-E10. Okay guys, so that is about it for this unboxing video. I wanted you guys to kind of see the first impression unboxing of this new vlogging setup. This is going to be my new vlogging setup. But yeah, I'm going to do a separate video on my setup, my vlog setup. I'm going to do a separate video comparing this camera with the Sony ZV-E10 for the girlies like me who are interested in seeing some basic things, not the technicalities of it. And yeah, so if you're interested, I'm gonna leave the links down in the description box and also somewhere here as well, so you can check it out. If you've watched up until now, I hope this video was informative, educative, entertaining as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.